Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about data secure deduplication and recovery based on public key encryption with keyword search. It is our abstract. Data secure deduplication and recovery based on public key encryption with keyword search is a promising technology for secure cloud storage. It allows cloud users to encrypt their data before uploading it to the cloud, while still enabling them to efficiently search and retrieve their data. The number of users and the data can be stored in the cloud is increasing exponentially day by day. The only way to reduce the cloud storage is data deduplication or elimination of repeated data in the cloud. The data deduplication becomes more and more necessary for cloud storage providers. This could be encryption scheme to encrypt all of the data that is stored on its server. A cloud storage provider could use encryption scheme to allow user to search for their data without having to download it or decrypt it first. This would improve the performance of the cloud storage system and would also reduce the number of bandwidth that it's consumed. It is our flow diagram. First we see the data owner module. First the user can register their details. After registration they log in. In this the user can enter their username and the password. After login they can select the file for upload into the cloud server. Before uploading into the cloud server they must encrypt the file by using the secret key. For this, the user can send the secret key request to the key generator. The key generator can view if any key request is received or not. If the key request is received, he will validate the user and generate the secret key and send that to the user. The user can get the secret key after validation. By using the secret key, the user can encrypt the file. After encryption, the user can send the file upload request to the cloud server. Now, the cloud server will log in with his username and a password. The cloud server view if any storage request is received or not. If there is exist means the cloud will validate the user and check the data duplication. After verifying that, he can provide or reject the upload request. Once the user can get the upload request, he can enter the keyword based on the file content and upload the file. This file will be successfully stored in the cloud. Now we see the data user module. The user can also register their details and log in. After login, the user want to download the file means he can enter the keywords. This keyword is generated by the data owner. But the user can enter the keyword. It can search whether that by using this it can check whether that file is available or not. If it is available means the user can send the decryption request to the cloud server. After getting the request acceptance, he can send the request to the key generator for decrypting the encrypted file. After getting the key, the user can download their file. Now we see our output. First go to the home page and run the file. It is our home page. If you are a user, you may click the user option and you can log in with your username and password if already registered. Otherwise, you register your details here. I already registered, so I log in with my username and password. It is the user module from which the user can upload their file. decryption.1, and I can view the file and can send the encryption key request to the key generator. Now we see the authority login. Now I first see the key generator login page. You can it is the user module from which the user can upload their file. Decryption.1, and I can view the file and can send the encryption key request to the key generator. Now we see the authority login. Now I first see the key generator login page. You can encryption key request is received or not. From here he can view the user details. By clicking this he can validate the user. After that, after validating the user, he can generate the secret key and send that key to the user. Now we see the user module again. It is the user module. By clicking the get key option, the user can receive the key. After receiving the key, he can encrypt the file. The file will be successfully encrypted. After encryption, the user can send the upload request to the cloud server. By clicking the check status option, he can view the file is uploaded or in process. Now we see the cloud process. Now I again log in. Now I again click the authority option. From here you can enter the cloud username and the password. It is the cloud module. By clicking the storage request option, by clicking the view details, he can view the status of whether any storage request is received or not. By clicking the not upload option, the cloud can validate the user and check for duplication. From here you can see the file have different content, and the cloud can accept the user request. Now we check the user module. It is the user module. Now I again check status. From here you can see the accepted status and the user can upload the file. The file will be successfully uploaded, and for that file the user can enter some keywords based on the related content. After entering the key, the file will be successfully uploaded. The user can search their file by entering the keyword. It is the cloud server module. By checking upload status, he can check this file will be uploaded and re-encrypt the file. The file is successfully re-encrypted and stored into the cloud. Now we see the user module again. Now we see the download file module. In this module, the user can search their file by entering some keywords. By entering and search file, it can show the file content related to this keyword. By clicking this, the user can send download request to the cloud server, and here he can check the status. Now we see the download process module in cloud server. By clicking the download request, it will open. By clicking the view request detail, you may check whether any download request is received or not. From here you can check the status of acceptance. By clicking this, the cloud will validate the user. After validating the user, the cloud will goes to the decryption for re-encrypted file and accept the user request. After accepting the request, now we see the user module again. By click the check status, the user can view the acceptance status. The user can view their file. After that, after accepting the request, the user can send the key generator request to the key generator. Now we see the key generator module again for decryption process. It is the key generator file decryption module. By clicking the view details option, the key generator can, after checking the status, he may click the option and validate the user, and after validating the user, the key generator generates the decryption key. After generating the key, the key generator send that key to the user. Now we see the user module again. It is the user module. The user can get the secret key. After getting the key, the user can decrypt the file.